Hey guys, I'm Isaac. I'm an engineer at Prinsu. I wanted to show you a little bit about our new quick release awning mounts. I want to show you a little bit how they work, how they install, and some of the neat features they have. Okay, so we're going to start by looking at our roof rack side of the awning bracket. So these are made from heavy duty steel. They're welded all the way around here. This plate here is a 1/4 inch thick. The way it works is the awning side bracket will hang on this, and then a spring-loaded plunger will go through this bottom hole. These are also lockable, so that's a neat security feature. We designed these for maximum compatibility, so the way it mounts to the roof rack is it's going through the ends of the crossbar as well as the slots on the side. We of course wanted this to work with our Pro Rack as well as with our other accessories, our window accessory panels, but we also designed it to work with the original rack and other 2x1 extrusion style racks. Okay, moving to the awning side of the quick release awning brackets now. We designed these with compatibility in mind, so they'll work with the standard sized awnings, but also the 270 and the batwing style awnings. There's plenty of surface area here for mounting. It's slotted so you can move things around as needed. These are also built extremely heavy duty. So these are made of steel. They're fully welded on both sides here. These two plates are 1/4 inch, again, just like on the roof rack side. Up here at the top, we've got our opening here to pass through a lock, so you got that security feature. We've got a shoulder bolt here, so that's actually what hangs on the roof rack side, so it makes it really easy. We'll show you in a minute here to actually mount it up. You just pick up the awning, it hangs on this shoulder bolt here, and then we move down to this plate mounted spring plunger. So this is kind of cool because it actually indexes, so you can leave it in the locked position, but it'll also stay in the retracted position. So that's essential to make it a one-person install and removal. Install for these is super simple. It's a 15 to 20 minute job. You remove the crossbar screws, pre-install some roll-in T-nuts on the sides of the extrusion, set your awning bracket in place, and install your hardware on the sides and on the front. Install is just as simple on the awning side of these brackets. It may vary depending on the awning type. We include these M8 bolts here. They just slide into the extrusions on the awning. You can use 3 or 4. We left the ones out here where this indexing plunger is. The one thing you're going to want to pay attention to is your distance between awning brackets, just so it lines up with the roof rack side. We'll show you how easy this awning mounts up. One person can do it, and we'll demonstrate that now. So you're going to start by retracting the spring plungers, locking them in that retracted position. And then we'll just lift it up and put it on there. Last step is to give the spring plunger a small turn and then make sure it fully engages. For added security, we've included a 3/8 inch hole here for compatible locks. So that's it for our new quick release awning brackets. They're very heavy duty, compatible with a wide variety of awnings. They're super easy to use. You can take it off for the week and put it on for the weekend. They're lockable for added security and super quiet while driving. We can't wait for you guys to have these. We'll see you out on the trail.